Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back to day 3 of our fluency with our story, What Joe Did. We're talking about that appropriate phrasing, and we are adding tone in with that. And so I pulled up the passage that I wanted you to look at today. It is page 180 in your book, but I wanted you to be able to look at this because you are going to be coming back or bringing into me or telling me and showing what you've learned and what you know about appropriate phrasing and tone. Excuse me, I had to clear my throat. So I want you to follow along as I read this page. So let's go ahead and get started. Little Joanna Marie loved to play basketball. She especially loved the sound the ball made as it fell through the net. She would practice every day, touching the backboard as often as she could. Since Joanna's parents had no idea how high a basketball rim should be, they hung it on the side of their roof, which was a whopping 16 feet high. Joanna saw rims on TV and figured they looked about the same height as her own. She had no idea they were only 10 feet high. Joanna also didn't realize that most people couldn't jump up and touch the backboard because she hadn't ever played with anyone else. But her parents marveled at how high she jumped and how she could run up to the backboard with the ball and lay it up and in. Her father was especially proud because he couldn't even touch the bottom of the net, not even with the help of a broom. Okay, boys and girls, now listen, this is going to be your job. Now, I just read this passage, and you heard, as you followed along, how my voice rose up and down. Now, you could tell the tone of my voice as I read. Was I sad? Did I give you a sense that Joanna was sad? Did I give you a sense that Joanna was unhappy? Did I give you a sense that her parents were happy, or were they encouraging? Did they like her playing sports? What kind of feeling did I give you about this passage as I read this to you? So what I want you to do, there were clues in here. And as you go back and read this passage, what I want you to do, your job is going to be this. And we're going to see if we can flip back. There we go. Now we can go back to our outcome for today. Your assignment is going to be to write in the comment box explaining 2 places that your tone changed as you read page 180, as you were reading, and what phrases prompted you to change your reading. And then you're going to write those in the comment box and post those. I know you can do it. I know you've been working hard. So I want you to go ahead and get started. Great job on day 3. I know you can do it. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for our day 4. Good work. I'm proud of you. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.